Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fun and easy story for you. It's an old story from Turkey about a funny man named Nasriddin. Nasriddin is kind, but he doesn't have much money. One day he asks God for 1,000 gold coins, but something funny happens. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and learn new words. Let's start. Nasriddin lived in a small village in Turkey. He was a very kind and honest man. He had a small house and a little garden. He did not have much money. His wife was not happy at all. She always talked about money every day. "We are always poor," she said. "Perhaps God doesn't like us." "God loves us," said Nasriddin. "God cares for everyone." His wife did not believe him. "We are always poor," she said. Nasriddin felt sad, but he loved his wife very much. He prayed every day. Every day, Nasriddin prayed to God. He said, "Please send me 1,000 gold coins. I want exactly 1,000 coins. Not 999, not 1,001. Exactly 1,000 gold coins." Every morning he went to the garden. He prayed and asked God every day. He dreamed of the gold coins. In the next house lived his neighbor Ahmed. Ahmed was a rich man. He had a big house and fine clothes. He heard Nasriddin pray. He heard the words about 1,000 coins. He laughed at Nasriddin. "Nasriddin wants 1,000 coins," he said. "He does not want 999. He does not want 1,001. What a strange man!" Ahmed had a plan. He took a bag. He filled it with 999 gold coins. He walked to the wall between the houses. He threw the bag over the wall. The bag landed in Nasriddin's garden. It hit Nasriddin on the head. Nasriddin felt something fall. He looked down. He saw the bag. He opened it. He saw many gold coins. He counted the coins. He saw they were gold. He smiled. He called his wife. "Come here," he said. "God loves us. God heard my prayer." His wife ran to him. She laughed. She felt happy. Nasriddin felt happy. 1 hour later, Ahmed came to the door. He wanted to see the coins again. "How are you, Nasriddin?" he asked. Nasriddin opened the garden gate. "We are very happy," he said. Ahmed showed another bag. He said, "I have the gold coins here." Nasriddin looked at the bag. He knew something was wrong. "How many coins are there?" asked Ahmed. 1,000, I hope," he said. Ahmed began to count. He counted slowly. He counted carefully. He stopped at 999. He said, "There are 999 coins, not 1,000. Nasriddin was calm. He smiled. He said, "That is fine. God will give the last coin today." Ahmed was angry. He said, "This gold is mine. I threw it over the wall. You must give it back." Nasriddin shook his head. "I cannot give it back," he said. "God sent it through you." Ahmed felt angry. He said, "I will go to the judge." Nasriddin said, "That is okay. But I can't go to court in these poor dirty clothes. Can I wear your coat?" Ahmed replied, "Okay, I will give you my coat. Nasriddin smiled and put on Ahmed's coat. Now, let us go, said Ahmed as he walked out of the gate. Please wait, said Nasriddin. I am an old man. The court is far. I cannot walk so far. Ahmed was angry. It is not far, he said. For me it is far, answered Nasriddin. I have a bad leg. I walk slowly. Okay, said Ahmed. You can use my horse. Ahmed brought the horse. The horse was strong and brown. Nasriddin thanked him. He climbed on the horse. Ahmed held the reins. They started to the court. Nasriddin turned to his wife. He said, Wife, watch my gold coins well. God will give me one more coin very soon. They came to the court. The court was a small building. Inside was a judge. He sat on a high chair. He looked at the two men. Why are you here? Asked the judge. Ahmed spoke first. Judge, this man, Nasriddin, has 999 of my gold coins. He must give them back. The judge looked at Nasriddin. He asked, Is this true? Nasriddin shook his head. He said, No, Your Honor, these coins came from God. I prayed for them. Nasriddin moved close to the judge. He said softly, Your Honor, this poor man is my neighbor. He is not right in his mind. He thinks my things are his. Ask him about this coat. The judge looked at Ahmed. Is this your coat? The judge asked Ahmed. Ahmed said, Yes, it is. I gave it to him. Now ask about the horse. Nasriddin said, Is this horse yours too? The judge asked Ahmed. Ahmed was quiet. He said, Yes, it is mine. The judge smiled and said, Poor man, you do not need a long trial, you need a doctor. Nasriddin is not a thief. He is not greedy. He is wise. He knows God gave him the coins. You must say sorry to Nasriddin. You must give him one gold coin now. Ahmed gave one gold coin to Nasriddin. Nasriddin took it with both hands. He smiled. He said, Thank you, God. The judge said, Case closed. Nasriddin and Ahmed left the court. Nasriddin rode the horse. Ahmed walked. Later they went home. At home, Nasriddin returned the coat and the horse. He counted the coins. He had 1,000 coins. He said to Ahmed, These are your things, but remember, do not come between God and man again. They shook hands. They were good friends again. The end. That's all for today. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.